Want to look like Aisha but on Aisha's budget? So I challenged myself to build a complete skincare, makeup and haircare routine but under 4,000. Welcome back to Beauty Math by BeBeautiful, where we show you how to save your skin while saving your money. The goal: create a routine which is office friendly, beginner friendly and most importantly budget friendly. Because when you're starting out with your first job, the biggest mistake people make is thinking they need more products. No, you just need consistent products, and that's where Beauty Math comes in. So let's break it down for you. This entire routine costs under 4,000, and if you're using these products properly, they should last you about 3 months, which means you're buying them 4 times a year, and that's roughly 16,000 a year. It sounds a lot until you break it down, and it's 44 rupees a day, which is less than your daily coffee. All you need is some basics across skincare, makeup and hair care. So let me show you what I bought. Skincare starts with cleansing, and I picked this simple face wash, which has honestly been my ride or die since years. And after hours of traveling in this chip weather, your skin will literally thank you for keeping things simple. Next comes hydration, and instead of buying 5 different serums, I went for a hyaluronic acid serum from Pond's. In your early 20s, you don't really need complicated serum shelf. Save that for your next race. Then comes a lightweight moisturizer. Because the goal isn't heavy skincare. The goal is skincare you will actually use every day. And now sunscreen. This is the step where people actually make most mistakes and skip protection. I picked up this anti-blue light tinted sunscreen from Pond's because if you're spending all day staring at a screen, you should be protected. Now let's talk makeup. Honestly, if you're getting ready at 8 in the morning, you need things to be easy. Sometimes you have to get jugadu so that you can use one product in multiple ways. 9 shades in one palette is a game changer. You can do soft everyday office looks or build it up for after work plans. Next is blush, because nothing makes you look more awake. Next is kajal. Now I still don't understand how some of you apply this so effortlessly. Like one stroke and you're done. Teach me your secrets. And finally, a great lip balm to top it all off. I like using this Lakme Peptide Lip Ivy for just some color on my lips. After all that, I even had some money left, which means we can also add hair care, and honestly, good hair days make such a difference. All you need is an easy breezy shampoo conditioner duo like this one from Love Beauty and Planet. So let's recap the math. Full routine, under 4,000, last 3 months, and 44 rupees a day to look put together. Honestly, I really wish someone had told me when I got my first job, because Beauty Math isn't about buying more, it's about buying smart. So if you have just started working and you're trying to figure out life, budget and skincare all at the same time, I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to BeBeautiful for all things beauty and budget smart. See you in the next one.